Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you about a way to unlock your iPhone if your power button doesn't work, that is without that button. I can do this with two taps on the back of my iPhone. I do this and my screen locks. The screen lights up. If I want to turn my iPhone off, I do two taps again and the iPhone turns off. How do I turn this feature on? It's very simple. You go into your iPhone settings. Here we find the item accessibility. Now here we press touch. We go down even lower and then we open a tab. And here we can choose either triple tap or double tap. We choose one of these items if we want us to do two taps, one to unlock our iPhone. You choose what you like. I choose double tap. This is where this item will be turned off. You go down below and choose lock screen. And now when I double tap the back of the phone, it will turn off. That's such a great way to do it. If you struggling to get the iPhone to turn on randomly, you can choose 3 swings. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Give it some likes and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.